Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. You're looking at page 5 of Best in Class, and if your natural note is a B flat, you're going to start on page 5. If your natural note is an F, you would start on page 4. Page 4, oh, come on. There we go. So here we go, page 5, B flats. 4 times. Do part B, the second note, the C, which is out in 6th. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And to section C, 2's company, B flats, rest, 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 out to 6 for the C. And on to part D, same thing, starting with the C, going to the B flat, reverse of C. All right, and then section E, the third note, which is ironically a D. Going to line those up a little better in the book, I think. All right, and we're now on to section F. In section F, we are doing the B flat, the rest, the C, the rest, the D, and then back to the B flat. Right, and on to section G, the fourth note, which is our E flat in third. 1, 2, 3. Good hand position. So these are all whole notes. Hold for 4, rest for 4. Give that 1, 2, 3, 4 full beats. And here we are on the 5th note, the F. That's your natural tone. That's where you start on page 4. If your natural tone is that B flat, you're working your way up to the F. F, tucked in a little bit more, a little faster air if B flat is your natural note. If F is your natural note, Sometimes you just want a little more relaxed. And then think of a lot of air moving slowly for those lower pitches. I know personally. When I get down there, I have a lot of air moving slowly to lock those in. And here we go. Section part H. Real breath this time. All right, and now putting it together. This is just F's and E flats. And on to J. One, two, whole notes in a row now. That takes us through all of page 5. Thanks for watching. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.